So I've been trying to get into the link to your app for Clever, and every time I do, I'm having some trouble um, getting it to work, and I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. So I thought I would do a quick video to show you what I'm seeing so that you would kind of understand where I'm stuck. So I click on your link, and it brings me to here, and I change it to log in to as a teacher staff, and it brings me to my home page. Okay, so I go back, and it doesn't bring up your information at all. So then I put in, and then I put in this information to try and get it to come up, and it tells me no results are found. So I went back to try and see if I spelled anything wrong. Nope, everything looks right, but it says it's not found. Okay, so then I went back here and I clicked Clever again, and I hit the install now, and it brings me to the home page of Clever where I would sign up for a Clever account. I already have a Clever account, so I tried to go into an existing account, and it brings me back to my home page. And I've looked at several different ways to try and find your app, and I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong or if it's just not there right now. So if you could please advise me what I need to do in order for me to be able to connect my Clever page to your technology page. That would be wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.